Hello everyone, this is Dion. Welcome back to GABWIRE. In this video I will show you how can you get rid of the black screen problem from your OBS studio. So I have faced this problem and I just tried to help you out. So let's see how does the problem looks like. So just when I just try to open my OBS studio, it just when I try to use display capture, it just blanks, it just a black screen. So I am using AMD graphics, so it's the solution for the users of AMD. So let's see how to get rid of this problem. So just just right click and just go to AMD Radeon Settings and then preference, then click on this option Radeon Additional Settings. Just go on this. It is opening, just wait. Okay, it just opened. So now I can see this additional options. So if you see your OBS here, just click on that and just click on power savings, but I am not seeing OBS here, so I'll just go to all application and I will find if OBS is here, as if I fix the problems before, that's why it's here, but it's black screen because I choose this high performance. So I need to click this on power savings. But if you don't find your OBS .exe not in here, just click on this add application, just add your application. So add your application, just show the application where it is situated. So in my case it's on Windows C drive, program files, and then OBS studio, then on the bin and 64, and this one OBS 64. So how can you know where is your file? So let's, very simple, just go to your desktop, then just click on OBS and just click on properties, and you will see this. Here is your file, see program files, OBS studio, bin 64-bit, OBS 64.exe. so that's very simple. So I just select this, so it's selected, and you will see this. When I will click on the power saving, just you need to click on the power saving and just apply it. So I just applied. Let's see, just reclose this and we will open OBS again. So as you can see, it's working. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If this works out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe this channel, and if any of your problem facing this problem, please share this video with them. So thank you guys. If any of you is stuck anywhere, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.